Do you ever feel like you're just guessing when you're pricing your products? Well, you're not alone. But today I'm going to show you how to price confidently and actually earn a profit on your products. If you're pricing your products too low, you're leaving money on the table and potentially giving customers the wrong idea about the quality of your product. If you price your products too high, you might scare people away. Finding the balance is crucial, and it's easier than you think. The basic formula looks like this. It's cost of material plus labor plus overhead plus profit equals your product price. Materials are what you spend to make the product. Labor is paying yourself for your time to make it. Overhead is things like Etsy fees, packaging, and so on. And profit, well, that's the part you actually get to keep. The first thing I do before I even think about a final price is figure out the cost to land the product in the customer's hands. I like to do this by setting up a spreadsheet where I track each material that goes into production of the product, any packaging supplies, and any fees that are incurred by selling a product. This can give me the big picture of what it costs to put a product in someone's hands. After I know what it's going to cost to put this product into a customer's hands, I'll head over to Etsy and do some research on the type of product I'm selling. This will give me an idea of what the market's bearing in terms of price of the product. After I know what similar products are selling for, I head over to eRank and punch all my numbers into the profit calculator to get a better picture of how I want to price this product. Doing all the math by hand can be a pain, but with eRank's profit calculator, the process is super simple. You just enter your material cost, your labor time, and any other expenses that go into making the product, and eRank does the heavy lifting for you. So if you're tired of guessing on the pricing of your products, taking things into account like the material that it costs to make your product, the overhead, and your time are super important to getting a properly priced product. Throw in eRank's profit calculator and the process gets a lot more simple. Hopefully these tips help you price your products effectively, and if you like what you see, consider following along for more tips on Etsy and more.